Here we are, the morning after the big snowfall. And I just opened my door because this little feller here has to go to the bathroom. Now last night it was up over his head. So today, look at this. He's got to go to the bathroom. So what I got to do is get him a little path so he can go to the bathroom. Huh, baby? Yeah, there you go, right there. Not going to be able to make it too much further. But wow. Incredible. The snow plows haven't come around. Whoa. No, he'll go under the porch. He's okay for now. So I don't want anybody from animal place to. But man, you can see my. We're definitely snowed in here. These are the trees in front of my house, all toppled over with the snow. I mean, look at my tree. It just is. Oh my goodness. And it's Pence speak. Oh, look at the baby. He's following me. He needs a path. So normally we get him a path. He will be okay. There's my tree stump, and there's my pine tree in the back of the house. And I think Pence is just about giving up there. But once I shove him a path and he can run around, he'll be okay. He just needs a. This is just not. This is like a bad Hollywood movie when the camera shakes. So hopefully nobody out there watching will end up with motion sickness. Did you ever go to a show and say, oh my goodness, I can't believe I paid, and it's like a good movie and you have to leave because you're going to vomit? Something about Hollywood. And look, here's my car. This is crazy. Last night we went to see, oh goodness, I can't even open the gate here, but there's my little VW there. She's all snowed in. You can see my neighbors. They're all snowed in too. Amazing. There's one neighbor trying to get himself out. Whoops. My cold phalanges. Amazing. And of course, Pinto. He needs. I did shovel last night. Oh look, he loves it. Pinsy. He's so cute. Look at him. Pinsy. Anyway, that's the biggest snowfall since Roman was a baby. In fact, we might have had more snow when he was little and we had a state of emergency. But it is definitely beautiful. A winter wonderland. And once I get myself together, I will go help people dig themselves out. There's a lot of elderly in the area, so I'm going to make sure my parents are okay, and Aunt Pat and anyone else that needs help will help them out today. Because that's what you do in this kind of situation. Anyway, it is March the 6th, 2010. And, wow, we had a great deal of snow.